A P0301, a 301 and a 302 misfire. We got a misfire in cylinder 1 and 2. So we're going to change this coil pack, and then we're going to change this coil pack. Look on the back side. There's a tab. Right here you'll push. And you'll just push it down, pull it up, comes right off. Alright, it's a 7mm. Take off the coil bolt. We'll chop it down there. I'll take it all the way loose. I'll hold it with my finger and I'll pull it out. Hold it with my finger and pull it out like that. Bolt. Let's get that boot. Don't let anything fall down in there. A lot of dirt. Around the dipstick. It's the old one. Got this one factory part from Advance Auto. Not sponsored. Everything looks identical. Push over the plug. I'm going to tighten it back up. Line back up, just tighten it down. Hand tighten the bolt down. We'll snug it down with the ratchet. Doesn't have to be super tight. There we go. Take our connector, plug it back up, and here, put it back on. Alright, we got number 1 done. Now we gotta do number 2. Alright, we got number 1 coil replaced. There we go, a little bit further. Number 1 replaced right here. I'm gonna get number 2. It's right there. It's 7mm. Take off. Push it in right here. Pull the plug out. Push it in right here on the back. Push it down and pull up. It's tight spots. Got it loose there. Just loosen the bolt all the way up so you can grab it with your finger so you don't lose it. Pull it up and clean it out. Make sure you don't have any debris down there. Just lift it out. Come through back here. Slide it up. Around all the wires. Got the new one. You gotta push down and tighten it down. Snug it up with the ratchet. Electrical connector back on. Should be back in business. Electrical connector back on, we're good to go. Change the misfire on cylinder 1 and 2. Good to go. Thanks for watching.